Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. And children, we have done yesterday, children? Yes, we have completed our vocabulary and grammar part little bit. Yes. Now we will see once we will revise what we have done. Okay, children. Lesson number 8. Module 8. Workbook part. Module 8. What we have done in module 8? First, we have done about the vocabulary. Vocabulary, what it is? Synonyms. Vocabulary, what we have done? Synonyms. Synonyms means what? The same word. Means the words will be different. Meaning will be same. Similar meaning words. Yes, children. That is, we have done. A synonym is a word or a group of words which have the same meaning or similar meaning. Understood, children? We have completed that yesterday. And in the main important part, what it is? Grammar part. In grammar, what we have learned? About tenses. What we have learned, children? About tenses. In grammar, we have learned about tenses only. Verbs also we have done it. Yes, children. Verbs means what? Action words. Verbs means what? Action words. What we are doing. Yes, the action that is called as a verb. The words which are we are doing now, that words are called as action. Now what I'm doing? Teaching. Yes, this teaching is a action. Yes, then it is verb. Writing. Writing is also an action. It is a verb. Understood, children? Now, in tenses, what we have done? We have done the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Yes, children, we have completed that. Once we will revise what is simple present tense. The simple present tense means what? First of all, tenses. How many types of tenses are there? Tell me. Yes, present tense, past tense, future tense. Yes, present tense means what? Today. Past tense means what? Yesterday. Future tense means what? Tomorrow. Yesterday. Like that we are having. Means for your revising and for your remembering part, I am telling that past means yesterday, present means tomorrow. Sorry, today. Future means tomorrow. Okay, children. Present means what? Today. Past means yesterday. Future means tomorrow. Understood, children? Now we are going to learn. Already we have learned about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense means the action that happens regularly. Means what you will do daily. It's, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Here I go to school. Like this words. Means go, brush. These are all simple present tense. Means what simple present tense means? Which is done every day. Excellent. Describes habits, events and actions that happens regularly. Means what we are doing regularly. That is the simple present tense. What is the rule of simple present tense, children? Subject plus base verb. For this S or ES we will add plus object. Yes, children. Here I said what is subject and object. I said see here now. Hina jogs every morning. Here Hina is subject, jogs is base verb, object is every morning. Understood, children? Now, here you should not add S or ES when the subject will be I, we, you, they or plural nouns. Understood, children? Now, and we have done this is simple present tense, and simple past tense means it tells about the which is finished. The verb which is finished. See here, children, what is the rule here? Subject plus past form of verb. What it is, children? Past tense or form of verb plus object. Here we will add ed, ed we will add or ied. For it, they kicked the football. Kick. Understood, children? Kicked. And here the helping verbs also will change. In present tense we will have is, am. Here it changes to was. Here are will be there means it changes to were. Understood, children? And here we have learnt about the regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means what? When we are adding for the regular verbs in the past tense form. Okay, children? In the past tense form. Regular verbs means what? When we are adding d, ed or ied, they are the regular verbs. Means what? Play, played. Kick, kicked. Cry, cried. Yes, children? These are all regular forms. And irregular forms of verbs are what? Come, came. Find, found. give, gave. These are the irregular verbs. Yes, children, till here we have completed. Yes, children, 3.1 I said to write. Okay, we will write it afterwards. Now, before that, today we are going to learn about simple future tense. Okay, children. What is simple future tense? First of all, what is future tense? Future means what is going on next minute. That is future tense. Means tomorrow. Yes. See here, what you will tell describes the action events will happen. What will happen later. In the future, what happens? It tells no. That is simple future tense. Means what? We will travel by train next week. We will travel by train next week. Here will have travel. What is the rule here? Subject plus what you will write? Will. You will write will plus base verb plus object. Here main important is will. To add base verb, before the base verb we will write will means it becomes future tense. You can easily identify the future tense sentence, children, because they will be having the will in the sentence. See, I will become a pilot when I grow up means it becomes in the future. Yes, like that. Here, to talk about events or actions that will not happen, we use the word not between will and the base verb. Then we will not go to Madurai this year. Here, children, when you want to do the events which will not happen, Here we will add here, see, same subject plus will. Here we will add plus not plus base verb plus object, which will not happen. In the future, it will not happen. That is, we will add like this and we will tell it. Okay, children. See, we can also use the words going to talk. They are going to go to Goa in October. She is going to meet. She is going to meet. Going to means this is a future. Understood, children? This is about the simple future tense. See here. Now what we have learned here, this is a simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Means what? Future tense means what? Which we are going to do next. That is the simple future tense. Yes, you will having the exams, FA2 exams. We will tell. Yes, means what? That is a future tense. Okay, children. Now coming to the present continuous tense and past continuous tense. What is present continuous tense and past continuous tense? Ma'am, continuous means what? It continues or what? No, see here. Describes action that are taking place at the time of speaking. Now what we are talking now, in this time what it is going on, that it tells present continuous tense. Means how you will write here, what is the rule here? Subject plus is, am, are. These three we will write plus ing form of verb plus object. Here say these are the auxiliary verbs, children. Is, am, are, was, were. These are the auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs means helping words. Understand, children? When we are using these words with the ing form means what? Playing, dancing, like this, ing forms. For the base verb, we are adding ing, ing. Then it becomes ing form. Then it's object. Subject, auxiliary verb, ing form of verb and object. See here, Billu is giving Coco haircut. I am doing my English homework. Means I am doing now. I am teaching English grammar. Yes, children. I am teaching English grammar. The birds are flying in the sky. Okay, children. You can tell it as a true one. It goes on doing work. Understood, children? Now, this is a simple, present continuous tense. Very good, children. Now coming to the next, past continuous. What is past continuous? Action that went on for some time in the past. They are in the past continuous tense. The sentence talks about the actions which have went for some time in the past. Okay, children. They are past continuous tense. What it is? The dog was barking because it was hungry. It was raining heavily last night. Last night it was raining, no? That. We are telling. Means the past continuous. Sometime it happened. Yes, see here. As well, we use ing form of the verb. Here also we will use ing form of the verb. See, but we will use was or were before the ing form of the verb. See, for the singular we will use was. For the plural we will use were. Understood, children? Here also, for the singular is and am. For the plural are. See, a subject plus was, were, plus ing form of the verb plus object. This is a past continuous rule. Understood, children? I was studying for my exam. See here, children. Past continuous tense. See here, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. What is the difference between this? Present continuous means what is going on now. Past continuous means what? In the past, it has taken some time. Means yesterday sometime it has rained. So what we will do? What we will tell? It was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. I was studying for my exam. Ian was listening to music. Something happened, but that time we were doing some work. What you will tell that was when you are pronouncing that, then it becomes to a past continuous tense. Understood, children? Present continuous tense, past continuous tense. What is the rule? Subject is am or plus ing form of object. Same, but here in the auxiliary verb we will change was and were. Was for singular, were for plural forms of noun. Understood, children? This is about the past continuous tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense. What we have learned today? We have learned today simple future tense, present continuous and past continuous. Understood, children? Now, till now what we have done with our grammar part, we have completed our tenses. What we have completed, children? We have completed our tenses part. Very, very important topic is this. Tenses. In this, simple present tense, simple future tense, simple past tense. Present continuous, past continuous tense. Understood, children? We have learned how many types here? Simple present, simple future, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. 5 types we have learned. Understood, children? 5 kinds of tenses we have learned today. See, complete this. Read in your from your workbook. Read it once. What are that? Listen carefully. Listen the video. Then you will understand clearly. Understood, children? And now we are going to complete the exercise 3.1. 3.1 I have said already. Now we will complete the remaining exercises. Everyone open your workbooks and be ready. Okay, children? Point 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct past tense form of the irregular verbs given in the brackets. Sumit fell down 2 days ago. I dash get my report card yesterday. I got my report card yesterday. Nita dash think that she had missed her bus. Thought. Rohit dash the library book home. Took. Luke dashed the kettle on the stove. Put. I dash by the seashore. Sat. This is 3.1 we have done. Yes, children. Now 3.2. See here, children. 3.2. Follow the instructions and rewrite the sentence. Yes, the lion hunted in the jungle. You should change into simple future tense. The lion will hunt in the jungle. The lion will hunt in the jungle. Kira looks for her pen. Kira looks for her pen. You should change into present continuous. Means we will write is, am, are. Yes, children. Kira is looking for her pen. Kira is looking for her pen. Sahif will visit his grandmother. Change this to simple past tense. Sahif visited his grandmother. Visited his grandmother. Rajat drank his juice before breakfast. Change into simple present tense. Rajat drinks his juice before breakfast. Fifth one. We enjoyed our ice cream cones. Change into simple future tense. We will enjoy our ice cream cones. Sixth one. They will greet us. You should change into present continuous. They are greeting us. They are greeting us. See here, children. Second one. Kira is looking for her pen. Third one. Sahif visited his grandmother. Fourth one. Rajat drinks his juice before breakfast. Fifth one. We will enjoy our ice cream cones. Sixth one. They are greeting us. See here, children, 3.3. Complete each sentence by changing the base verb in brackets to its past continuous form. One is done. See here. The children dash a new song. Learn. You should change into a past continuous form. So, verb learning. Past continuous means what? Subject plus yes. Words are were plus ing form of base verb. A new then object. Yes, children. See, Ajay dash on the telephone. Talk. Ajay was talking on the telephone. Means plural means were you should use. Singular means was. The students dash for the bus. Wait. The students were waiting for the bus. My father was writing a letter to his friend. She was running very fast. My friends were playing football yesterday. Understood, children? This is about your 3.3 completed, children. Here. 3.4. Draw a star over the verbs that are in simple past tense. Underline the verbs that are in past continuous tense. Yes, children. See here. You were working all day yesterday. Here it is in the past continuous tense. Were working. So underlined. You should draw a star. It snowed last winter. See here, star is there, no, children? It snowed last winter. Here snowed is simple past. We drank lemonade at the party. Drank is a past form, so it is star. The teacher explained the sum. Here explained is the past, star. Eddie and Lisa were looking out of the window. Here were looking means what? Past continuous. I was watching a movie with my friend last night. I was watching. It is a past continuous. Past continuous means you should underline. Simple past means you should put the star mark. Understood, children? Complete it. We have completed the exercises also. Grammar part. Okay, children?